Hello everyone, welcome to Haiwell Classroom. Today we will show you how to create the project in SCADA and introduce the interface for you. First, we open the Haiwell Cloud SCADA software. After entering the software, we can click on Create a new project. Then fill in the corresponding project name. After that, we can choose according to the actual device used. And click OK. Tips: if you need to use the LAN access function, remember to turn on this option and set the password. After the project is created, we can take a look at the main interface of the software. As you can see, the top part is our menu bar and toolbar. We can conveniently use some common tools here, such as compilation, save project, online simulation, offline simulation, also downloading, etc. On the left side, there is our project browser, which is used to manage the content of the entire project, such as Projet Screen. Here, you can add external devices and add variables. There is also a scripting function to meet your needs. Furthermore, there are alarm functions, user permission management, RFID functionality, and more. The middle part is our screen editing area, where we make project screens, such as buttons, text, instrument. These components will be placed in this area. On the right is our graphics library or component library, which includes some commonly used elements like buttons, such as bit lamps, bit switch, and some historical data tables. We can drag it to the project screen. And if you didn't find the component library here, you can click the view, check the Wizards Manager here, and it will show like this. If you want to edit the component, we can right-click the component or double-click it. It will show us the property page like this. We can set the blinking mode here, also set the variable, set the color, the shape, and so on. And the area below the interface is the information output area of the software. When we click Compile, there will be some error messages from the compilation. If there is a problem with the project, you can modify it by following the tips here. If we double-click it, it will jump to the corresponding component. Then you can modify it according to the instructions prompts. Okay, this is the Haiwell SCADA project creation and interface introduction. Thanks for watching. Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.